Hi guys, welcome to my first video, and my YouTube name is Julie Queen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and post your notification shadow to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get on with the first slime. The first slime is this blue one, which I love, and it's kind of clicky, kind of not, half and half. And yes, so let me click it for you guys. It's really pretty and it's stretchy too. Sorry for the background noise. So the next slime is this purple one. It's really pretty. Yes, my nails look so bad right now because I haven't painted them, but I will. So this is a purple one. It might be a little sticky, but who cares? It's really stretchy. It's so pretty. It's a dark purple. It's gorgeous. I love this color. People might be passing, but excuse the people. It's really pretty. It's kind of sticky. Let's get on with the next slime. So let's get the slime. This container is a little hard to open. Never mind. It's foamy. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna take out a little bit for you guys. This is how it looks. It's really stretchy, guys. And it drops foam beads. There's a lot of foam beads. And okay, let's get on. Next slime. The slime might be a little short, but I'm sorry, guys. Let's get on with the next one. The slime is like the other one, but this one has foam beads, and this one too. But they're another color. So let's get in this one. And this one's a little difficult to open. Here, I'm gonna tell my friend if she can open it for me. Sorry, guys. I have more slimes up there. My friends are here, so. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. It's really difficult. Okay, there we go. Thank you. So, it's this slime right here. It's really pretty. It might look hard.
It looks like sand.
Sorry, it's a little girl that's here. Okay, so this one. Pretty pretty. It's really big. I'm gonna take out the whole thing. Look. It's my hand. Yeah, let me move this. I wonder if I could poke it here, but I can't. Look how stretchy it is, guys. Let's get on with the next slime, guys. This one is a baby blue one, which has sparkles, and it's so pretty. Look. It smells pretty good, I guess. You guys see the glitter? So pretty. Okay. So let's get on with the next slime. Next slime is this bluish one is not the same as this one, guys. The one has glitter and this one doesn't. And this slime is glow in the dark, so it's really pretty. It smells like Cheetos for some reason. I don't know. Oh. Okay. It's really pretty. Sorry about the background noises. You already said it. Sorry. A little girl I don't know. Okay, this was my last slime. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.